And special delivery, testing drones to move cargo at the international airport.
CTV Edmonton, local breaking news with Matt Woodman.
Coming up next on CTV News, a new type of aircraft flying out of the Edmonton International Airport.
There's such a significant demand for the kind of efficiency that drones can provide.
Drones are coming to the Edmonton International Airport, and for once, they'll be welcome. EIA has made a deal with a Canadian drone company to test out a new high-tech cargo delivery system for nearby businesses. CTV's Jeremy Thompson reports.
Airports are typically no-fly zones for drones. There are signs all over Edmonton's International Airport. But soon there will be a flock of unmanned aircraft here, thanks to a new partnership between EIA and the Toronto-based company Drone Delivery Canada.
When we really think about the future and how much cargo is, of course, taken from the airport to off-site, you can see that there's such a significant demand for the kind of efficiency that drones can provide.
It's early days, but Bednard says the idea is to offer an expedited delivery service to businesses close to the airport. A package arrives on a plane, then goes right into the drone.
In this case, there's one point of origin, which is going to be at the airport on airport property, and then there's going to be one point of destination. There's a couple in contention. Both are in this queue.
The drones most of us are familiar with require a pilot to fly, basically someone like my camera guy Sean here to control it from the ground. The airport drones will be fully automated, running on pre-programmed routes to take human error out of the equation. Sorry, Sean.
It's not entirely hands-off. Staff monitor their equipment remotely and can take control at any time.
For instance, just say there's another aircraft in the area that's having an emergency, and air traffic control tells everybody to clear out of the way. We can take control of our drone.
The plan is to start with the smallest delivery drone. The Sparrow can carry up to 10 pounds for 30 kilometers. If successful, the airport could upgrade to two larger models. The biggest is gas-powered, has a 200-kilometer range with a 400-pound payload.
We're providing a business service for our region. We're also driving technology and jobs.
Route planning is happening now. The first drone delivery will likely happen this fall. Jeremy Thompson, CTV News, Edmonton.